Before I joined the program, I was doing group choreo classes and I was very self conscious. I would be doing well, but as soon as I made a mistake, especially during groups or recording, I would freeze and get inside my own head and just mess the choreography up for myself and for everybody. And I would hate that feeling. And I actually stopped enjoying dance sometimes because of that. And what the program has allowed me to do is really be more confident regardless of external circumstances and just be happy that I'm dancing and be comfortable in my own movement. Within the first week of being in the program, no joke, I noticed a big change in how I was performing in dance classes. Normally, I would freeze up when I make a mistake and just mess everything up and feel so bad after. But in the first week, I made a mistake, which is normal, and I laughed it off and I kept going. And I was so joyful. And I noticed it, and everyone noticed it. And the video, you could see it too. And as the weeks went by, I just felt more and more comfortable in my own skin and realizing that my quality of dance does not depend on what other people think. It only depends on how I feel. The app experience has been really good for me because I live in the Philippines, so there is a time zone difference between me and California. And I also am very busy at work, and I like that I can open the app and take the video classes whenever I can. I like that I have access to all of it and I don't have to rush. Like I can take my time with certain weeks. It's been really, really useful and convenient. I'm not used to dancing online, via Zoom, but Mel and Joshua have a way to make it really comfortable for me. They really encourage things like freestyling or, just playing around with your arms. And I also get to meet the other students, and it's such a positive and generous call that even as an introvert, I feel empowered to explore. So being from Southeast Asia, I was also on the fence for a little bit. I was worried not just about the time difference and the commitment, but also, the expense. But honestly, it has been so useful and enriching for me, not just as a dancer, but also as a person. Because it's not just access to these dance videos and access to live classes with them, but it's also learning from them one on one, whether it's chatting, asking a question, or them commenting on any dance video that you send, or just them encouraging me and helping me get through roadblocks. Honestly, this has been so enriching for me as a person that I would recommend this to any dancer that is not just thinking about leveling up, but also really wanting to feel more comfortable about yourself in a safe environment in a very, very positive way.